Okay, so now we've got it's a Bosch fridge, it's an inverter. Well, it's not powering on, so I'm opening up the board. You can see underneath here already, I can see that the mauve is bent there. So if the mauve is bent, obviously the fusible resistor is bent, and hopefully the damage is limited to around here. Let us hope. I can see some blackness on this diode. I can see some blackness here, but well, we'll see. Okay, let's check it out. So here we're gonna conduct a quick test. Well, obviously the mauve is bent, and obviously without testing, I know that the fuse is bent. You can see my props cap. So the fuse is obviously bent. Now there is a little rectifier bridge. Can you see it? There, it's a surface mount. So the input of the bridge is not short, and I'm measuring it out drop there. The output is not short, I'm measuring it out drop. So maybe the IC is fine, hopefully, let us hope. And okay, so the input goes through here. So this one is ground, this input, there's an input here. Let me put my meter there. So the input is here. It's going probably to, I'm not sure, let me see. Oh, okay, so this input here should go to, it's going to one of the legs of the bridge, so it's going here. So this side, probably this is neutral. As you can see, you can feel the meter passing from this input to the first pin of the bridge. Then from here, going to here, there is nothing. So obviously on one side of the fuse, I'm going to get it, and then the other side, I'm not going to get it. Then I've got the mauve there. So, well, hopefully it's going to be fixable. Okay, so now we're done. So this is it. It's powering on. You can see it's displaying there. Okay, so you can see the buttons are responding. These buttons are responding. Okay, so this is the compressor there. So the compressor is also running. You can feel it. The gas. This feel. Okay. Oh, it's getting hot. The condenser is already getting hot, so I think it's fine. Check inside also. Let's check the inside to see. Let's check the inside. The display is. I can see the display. So let's go to the inside. This is the inside. Okay, the lights are on. I think it's fine. Let's close it. Okay, so this is it.